Verifying your identity on TikTok can sometimes be challenging, especially if your initial attempt fails. This guide will help you navigate the process step by step to successfully verify your identity. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the personal information you provided matches the identification documents you are using. This includes your name, date of birth, and any other relevant details. Step 2. Use valid identification. Select an appropriate form of identification. TikTok typically accepts government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the ID is clear and legible. Step 3. Resubmit your request. If your initial verification attempt failed, go back to the verification section in your TikTok settings and resubmit your identity verification request with the correct information and documentation. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After resubmitting, be patient and wait for TikTok to review your request. This process can take several days, so check your notifications for any updates regarding your verification status. Step 5. Contact TikTok support. If your verification still fails after resubmission, reach out to TikTok support for assistance. Provide them with details of your attempts and any relevant information that may help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you can improve your chances of successfully verifying your identity on TikTok. Good luck!